Page 319. This is the one at the bottom of the page. We're improvising symbols, using chord symbols in Lydian mode. This time we get to make up the melody. Won't that be fun? You'd use whatever notes, primarily the notes in the chord they give, but stick to Lydian mode. This is F Lydian. F Lydian is like F major with a raised fourth step. In other words, we're using all white keys. All right, just use all white keys. First, we do the chords, because I need a melody that fits with the chords. So we have F major, G, see that B flat? We're already in the F. Then we have a C with an E on the bottom. F, G, F, C with an E on the bottom, F. It's a 5 chord. Generally, it's the 1, 2, 1, 4, or 5, excuse me. It's the 1, 2, 5 thing. It's not a 5/7, it's a 5 chord. Yeah, whatever. So those are the chords. So we want a melody kind of fits with these. You're basically using the white keys, starting on F. You make up a melody. This is a crummy little melody. You can get around and fancy and all that. Just primarily use keys in the chord. You're going to want to use B flats because that's what we tend to use. But no, use B naturals on all white keys on this and make up your own thingy. And then they start suggesting broken chords. Just no broken chords or whatever. I don't have a lot to say on this. We've done the improvising before. It's just the harmony is a little different now because of the raised fourth step. Lydian mode is a raised fourth step from a major key, from Ionian mode, however you want to say it. Get as confused as you want to. It's fine.